I see. You're my daughter's best friend. Okay. Yeah, she will be back in a minute, but sit here tight. You. Can I get you some water or a snack or anything like that? Yeah? Okay. I'll get you some water. Just sit here tight, okay? I'll be right back. Anyways, I got you some water. Here you go. And I got you some snacks. These are Asian snacks. I don't know why my daughter keeps a lot of Asian snacks. She just loves them. And yeah, it seems like she's running really late. I guess you can just wait here in the living room. But anyways, how is college? How's everything going in college? I see. So you're having guy problems. It's okay. Dating in college can be a little bit confusing. Not every single guy in college is a jerk. I'm sure you'll find someone nice. You'll find a great guy. There's a lot of great, loyal guys out there. I'm sure you can snag one. I mean, you're a really pretty girl, so I'm sure you have a lot of guys lining up for you. Like a lot. I mean, if I was in college and I saw you, I would be waiting in line for you. I really would. But don't worry, you'll find a nice guy. Alright, so like, what type of guys do you like? I mean, there's many types. Okay, that's normal. It's normal for a girl to like an older man. Oh, okay, that's pretty old. That's my age. Okay, I mean that's interesting. I mean, don't just don't worry about it too much. You'll find a nice guy. Alright, I think we need to change topics, okay? Anyways, how's college? Tell me about your college life. That's good. Well, my college life is a little bit different. I was playing college football. And there was so many beautiful girls on around campus. It just made me go a little bit crazy, but there was this one girl that was absolutely beautiful. She was gorgeous. And I loved her very much. I fell in love with her eventually, but that was my wife. So the first time I saw her is when she walked into chemistry class. I was upset, so the next day I had to sit next to her, so I did. I made small talk and I took down some notes and I borrowed her notes. Then I asked her to tutor me. Even though I didn't really need it, she tutored me anyways. But eventually I ended up tutoring her. She wasn't very smart, so I had to tutor her a lot. But it was okay. We fell in love. We fell madly in love. Then a few years later, I got down on one knee and I proposed to her. It was beautiful. Then we had a family. I was so happy. And I know that you can find someone just like that. You can find a guy out there and you'll have your own romantic story. So don't give up hope. He's out there, okay? What do you mean you want me? Oh, sweetie, like I said, we can't be together. best friend's daughter, and I got a wife. I mean, you're cute. You're really, really, really cute. I think you're beautiful. I mean, if things were different and I was younger, maybe we could be, but I can't. My wife would kill me. Imagine if word just got out. That would be such a bad luck for me. I mean, for us. Trust me, you don't want to go down that rabbit hole. I mean, trust me, you're very, very, very lovely. You are. You're gorgeous. I mean, you honestly kind of look like my wife when she was in college. I'm not gonna lie. And that's why I can't really keep my eyes off of you. No, we can't. We can't do that. That would be wrong in so many ways. Me and you can never be a thing. We can't. As much as, a big part of me wants to. I can't do it. But you're cute though, you are. You're so lovely. You are very, very, very lovely. And maybe if things were different, maybe things might happen, but as of now, we can't let it get there, okay? Do you understand? We can't let it get there. But anyways, I got a bed upstairs, and I know that I shouldn't be doing this, but let's go upstairs and cuddle for a bit, yeah? I can just lay here with you and get lost in your eyes. You have the most beautiful eyes I've ever seen. They're so gorgeous in every way, just like you. I love your eyes so, so much. They're just so beautiful. And your lips. I just love kissing your lips. They're just so kissable and perfect in every single way. Your lips are so soft like a cloud. Every time we kiss, it's like me going to heaven. It's just a bliss that I get every time I kiss you. I'm obsessed with your lips in every single way possible. And your hair, your gorgeous hair. I love touching it. It's so soft. I love how it just gets everywhere. It's so cute, just like you. And all together it makes that beautiful face of yours that I can fall in love over and over again every time I see you. Every time I see you, it's perfection. I've never ever seen anything so beautiful, so perfect, so wonderful. You're amazing. You have no idea how amazing you are. And your neck, I just love your neck. I love stroking your neck up and down gently and kissing your neck up and down gently and softly and occasionally wrapping my fingers around them. You're so cute. And also, I'm weirdly into your collarbone. There's something about your collarbone that just drives me wild. I like it a lot. I know I'm weird. I'm just into weird stuff like that. You know me. And your stomach, I just love your stomach. So nice and smooth. So beautiful. Just like you. I just love rubbing your belly. It's has to be one of my favorite things to do, especially when you're on your period. And I know how much you like it when I rub your belly. Doesn't it make you feel better? Huh? Of course it does, sweetie. It makes you feel a lot better. You know what I want, sweetie. You know what I want from you. I want to have babies. I think we should have babies together. I think we'll make the cutest babies in the world. Yeah? Don't you want to have a baby with me? I want to have a baby with you, maybe 2 babies, yeah? Please. Please have a baby with me. Come on, sweetie, please have a baby with me. I just want a baby so bad with you. Please. Pretty please. I'll do anything to have a baby with you. Oh, you're so cute, sweetheart. You are the cutest. And your legs. I just really, really love your legs. I think your legs are really sexy and cute. They're so smooth and beautiful in every single way. And I love brushing my fingers up and down your legs. Just like that. Are you getting goosebumps? Oh, it's okay, baby. I just love you so much. And the way you wear those mini skirts. Oof. I love your legs in them. They're so cute. And you got the most gorgeous feet in the world. I love your feet so much. They're just so cute in every way. And you have the cute little toes, and I love the way that you do your nail polish on your feet. Your feet are so smooth and so cute and small. You're gonna love giving you foot massages. I don't really have a foot fetish, but with you, I think I can have one. In your body, I just love your body so much. It's perfect in every single way. I love kissing it up and down, gently. And I love brushing my fingers up and down your body like this. Yeah, you like that, don't you? You're just so cute in every single way possible. You don't understand how beautiful you are. You're just so wonderful and beautiful in every single way. Every time I see you, I get lost in your beauty. Everything you do, it's so beautiful. So beautiful to me. I love you so much. I'm so obsessed with you. You have no idea how obsessed I am with you. You're perfect